my name is Larissa. I'm going to do deliverable 6 on deviance. Deviance in the world, in the physical world. Deviance in the physical world is about crime, threats, negative behavior in the social world. Negative response to the world and the physical behaviors and deviance in the physical world. Deviance is heavily dependent on race, especially when it comes to crime and justice system. For example, a white male from a middle class area is likely to be apprehended and less likely to go further into the justice system than a black male from the slums, indicating dominant society and inheritance bias in considering acts committed by people of color to be more deviant than acts committed by white counterparts. So with this deviance in the physical world, at the store, we just have to watch what is happening in every person that comes in the store. With stealing and crime rates, we just have to keep an eye on what's happening within the store. Deviance in the digital or online world. Deviance is not just hacking, cracking, or web page defacing. It's become cyber stalking or cyber harassment in the digital world. Cyber stalking is most likely men stalking women online and harassing on different types of websites and web pages. There are people from cyberbullying to child at different ages and saying mean things online instead of to their face. So cyberbullying has become really bad when younger generations, with some kids even commit suicide because of the bullying. Deviant activities often reflect the individual's perturbation behavior through email, new group messaging, and chat room conversations. We will have to hire a person to watch the websites on behavior levels of our employees and what they post if it's not a right image for our company. We have to talk to the employees and see what is going on. There will be no bullying online or cyber stalking from any employees. Nobody should or want to stalk one of our customers. There will be an issue if there is. No employee will say mean words to customers or follow customers online. Most bullies hide behind their computer in today's world. The physical bully still happens, but most is done with the new apps the kids have on their phone. One post and someone will be hurt by a million different people looking at it. In the physical world, just local people will hear what is said or a picture taken of it. Digitally, when it stays out in the world for everyone to see until it's taken down or deleted, but it's always there forever. Digital does more harm than good, and it will ruin your job or future jobs depending on what is posted and said. Physically, you can take a picture or use words and they'll go away before you start your career, and not much harm is done, but physical harm is done to your ego from bullying. But digital seems to hurt more and stay around. The impact on deviance of the digital and physical society. The impact on the digital and physical society has employees to remember to work smart online. Watch what we post. Watch what is being posted about the company and themselves. Physical, we need to stop complaining about problems and start changing the problems. Start appreciating what you have in the store with getting along with other employees. We found out that there are issues and see what we can do happening with employees and if there's issues with one another. Physical words and actions to one another can affect our company and how we do business. The way our employees act reflect on the company and how society sees our business as a whole. Conflict theory defines deviance. Conflict theory is a deviance of behavior not only along with social institution. Conflict theory draws attention to power differences such as class conflict and general contrast, historical dominance, and ideologies. It is therefore a micro-level analysis of society. With our company, we have many different cultures working in our stores. We will treat everyone the same. We don't want conflict between each other, so we will learn to get along and keep the peace while at work. Everyone has their own opinions and entitled to what, but at work, we will all think about work and how to have happy customers. Symbolic interaction theory and deviance. Labeling employees before you get to know them. We all must get along at work, and label a coworker before you even talk to them because they look or act different Maybe that coworker that I teamed you up with will be your new friend, and you will just have to give that label, not give them a label before you meet them. And symbolic interaction is a theological approach that we use to explain how society and social groups come to view behaviors as deviant or co-inventional. Labeling theories, different and sociology, disorganizational theories, and control theories fall within the same symbolic interaction. Theories discuss impact meaning on deviance in the digital environment. The internet, mobile apps, and informational technologies are enabled in the social structure of finance, health, education, and business in many countries throughout the world. Almost everyone has the internet at their fingers. The internet doesn't show us who or what or how someone is using the internet to steal, fraud, and harass against our company. The internet can be said if someone who it is and isn't. Online takes away from the store business, but we're working on ways around that. Internet stockholders and external stockholders like to see numbers on what is happening with the digital world and how deviance affects the numbers in our store. So we're getting together and discussing the ways we are working and what we should do to protect our company. Working together and learning what is going on is always good for business. Deviance due to technical advances. Technology is always changing, and the next hacker is always a step ahead of everyone. If we weren't, there wouldn't be a hacker. So protecting your company is our main priority since technology is always advanced now. We have to keep up with the hackers to protect our company and customers. Putting extra spyware on the company we use for everything. Watching what emails are coming to make sure they are safe, and watch what is posted to our company to make sure there's nothing attached to our programs out there. So we have our department just to watch the hackers and what our employees are doing so we don't get any viruses or worms. We must keep ourselves protected from everything. Managing day-to-day varies from deviance. Letting our employees know that they are awesome and doing a great job, giving them service overview of how they are doing, and showing them what a great job they are doing to help boost their jobs. Giving some sort of praise should lower the deviance in the department. If we see employees being overwhelmed or looked for help coming out in a deviant act, we step in. We are learning together and we should help out when needed. Some employees should keep a lookout for signs of someone looking deviant and let their manager know so we can handle the problem. Thank you, and that was the end of my presentation on video collage.